Got one. Finally. Here you go, ladies and gentlemen. First bass of the day. As you can see, we just got like probably a half-pound bass. There's a lot of small ones in here, but you can catch a couple. You can catch a couple big ones. I have one. Do I? Yeah, I do. Look at that. It's like a solid 2-pound bass. Catch you next time. That's a big fish. This is a big fish. Holy moly. He's big! That could be like, that might be my PB. Folks, that could be my PB. I don't know if y'all can tell how big that fish is. That is a big fish, folks. Look at the mouth. I'm gonna put him back. That was probably a solid 3.5-pound fish. Is that? Oh, look, everyone. That's sad. That's 2 bass. There's one right here and one right here. Those are like not that bad sized bass. I wonder what's getting.